Any patient who's missing a tooth or needs to have a tooth removed is a candidate for dental implants. Here are 3 ways that dental implants can improve your quality of life. When you're missing teeth, your ability to chew is seriously reduced. By using dental implants, we could replace those teeth in a way that the teeth never move and function just like your original teeth. The confidence that you gain by replacing 1 or more teeth is immeasurable. There's nothing that can make you feel old faster than missing teeth. Dental implants can last a lifetime. Like anything, there can be complications, but they're very rare. Most patients have dental implants done and they last their entire life. Every case that we do, our goal is that nobody knows what was done, and the final result is as natural and lifelike as possible. To learn more about dental implants, call our office or visit our website.